Today is Saturday, March 26th. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac Eldorado in DeVille cruise control transducer servo that's mounted in the engine compartment. Back in the day, 1967-1968. This is the original Dana manufactured perfect circle unit. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled and calibrated and essentially fully restored and rebuilt. And included in the assembly and in the breakdown of components, we have the mounting bracketry, which is different for the Eldorado and for the DeVilles, although the transducer heads are substantially the same. We have the auto-enabling selector control, the integral wiring harness, and the actuating cable that mounts into and facilitates the linear travel, which regulates the settings inside the cruise control transducer head. Included is the cruise control disabling switch, which is mounted into the brake linkage, and the multi-port connector wiring harness. This is a breakdown of the auto-enabling selector switch, which has the auto flip as well as the mileage per hour graduated scale, whereby you just rotate it and that actuates the cable, which in turn actuates the transducer mechanics inside as determined by the linkages and the resistance springs and the graduating gears. Okay, so this is the 1967-1968 Cadillac Eldorado, DeVille, and Fleetwood perfect circle manufactured by Dana cruise control assembly, comprising all of the different components. This, of course, is the internals of the unit, and this is a fully sealed, ready to ship embodiment. Okay, this is George in Florida. Today is March 26th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today's Saturday, March 26th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.